Here we got a huge lathe. All the details and price will be in the description below. And my boss's website to see his inventory. The weights on this machine are very clean. Same thing with the threads. I have a whole bunch of surface grinders for sale. They are all up on my boss's website. Will be in the description below if you're interested in any or see any you're interested in. Got us a good weight lathe here. Comes with a bunch of tooling. All the details and price will be in the description below. It's a Bridgeport CNC. Very nice. Here we got a Morisiki CNC lathe. Looks like it has automatic tool change post. A little center right down there. Very good unit.